Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of some applications not responding on phones. A simple solution, but you have to follow the steps explained in this video so that you can solve the problem. But before broadcasting in the explanation, I would like to thank everyone who supports me and everyone who subscribes to his channel and everyone who shares his videos. Thank you very much, and I hope from the heart that you get everything you wish for. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step is that you have to make sure that the RAM of your phone has sufficient space, more than 1 GB, so the RAM is important. If the space of your phone is not sufficient, you have to go to the settings, then go to the applications, then go to the applications. After that, search for the applications that you do not use and delete them immediately so that you can empty the RAM space of your phone. Now the next step is to go to the settings, then go to the applications, then go to the applications, then search for the application in which we have the problem and click on it. After that, we click on the storage, then click on clear the cache. The next step is to go to the App Store. We update the application in which we have the problem, or we go to Google and update it depending on where you got the application from. The next step is to go to settings, then go to System and Updates, then search for the update on your phone. If it exists, you update your phone system. The next step is to go to Settings, then go to Applications, then click on Applications. After that, we click on the 3 dots above here, then click on Reset Application Preferences. As you can see, when we do this process, the disabled applications will solve the problem of data usage restrictions and applications in the background, and all the problems will be solved. Do not worry, it will not delete any data from those applications. The last step is that if none of these solutions work for you, you must delete that application and reinstall it, but before doing this step, you must restart your phone. It is a simple step, but we find it important. I hope that these solutions will work for you. For those who have any problems, if you have any inquiries, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.